around.
Yeah, finally getting back to normal. It's pretty nice. Yeah, and probably not for long.
Not for long.
Although into the weekend, I think we'll see temperatures continue to moderate some. This morning, we did start below freezing again in rural communities primarily, in locations like out at the airport, 26. Just above freezing this morning at Mabry at 33. Ended up this afternoon at 64, but that's not quite back to average. 66 is our average high temperature, so that makes this, out of 18 days in February now, 16 of them below average temperatures. Well, clouds have been moving in all day, mid and high clouds primarily in the sky, as you can see live from our 360 tower camera, and the temperature still at 60 degrees, a pretty pleasant start to the evening. Let's check some hill country readings here. 58 in Burnett, 61 in Llano, 61 degrees Marble Falls. In fact, all of Blanco County there at 61, Fredericksburg at 57. In the metro area, let's see how we're doing. A lot of 61s down here in Hays County, up to the north, 61 as well in Round Rock and in Pflugerville and in Maynard, Leander, Florence, Georgetown, the cool spot at 59. And you folks in our eastern counties, wow, 59 to a lot of 61-degree temperatures. Our evening planning forecast for the Austin area is 60 now, 57 degrees at 7 o'clock tonight. At 10 p.m., forecasting about 50 as we see skies continue to be at least mostly cloudy. Not nearly as cold as the last few nights, as you can see. 60 degrees at Mabry and mostly cloudy. 61 currently at ABIA, and officially a mostly cloudy sky with a south-southeasterly wind that's blowing at 8 to 12 miles per hour. Sunset tonight at 6:22. Well, in the pollen count today, molds were medium and elm showing up today only in the low category at 28. Mold and elm likely to be the two items in the pollen count for tomorrow, too. Temperatures around the state. 60s, most areas. Some 50s there along the coastal regions right now, 55 down in the valley. We talked yesterday about a little disturbance moving out of California across Mexico that was going to bring up that subtropical jet, maybe produce some showers. Well, so far those showers have been all down in the valley, and we think they should stay down there. We can't rule out a sprinkle tonight, but it looks like most of the rain associated with this little disturbance now will stay down to our south, though we will remain mostly cloudy. The next one upstream, however, I think will give us a slightly better chance of some rain on Sunday. That subtropical jet stream that has been related to by the El Nino all winter long is becoming a little active again. Again, this first disturbance missing us, but this next one likely will take advantage of that jet stream and move right across Texas on Sunday, giving us a better chance of some rain at that time. More clouds than sun in the meantime through tomorrow into Saturday. Again, more clouds than sun, although temperatures will remain mild. We'll be into the low 60s tomorrow, around 60, and then into the 60s on Saturday. And then we could even get close to 70 on Sunday before a front comes in, kind of like last week, really warm, then an afternoon front comes in on Sunday and we start to cool down a bit. Okay, speaking of cooling down, here are your lows tonight. 40 to 45 degrees. Not forecasting any freezing weather tonight for the first time since last weekend. For tomorrow, high temperatures, let's go 60 to 62 around the metro area, maybe a bit warmer out in the western hill country. In Austin tonight, those high clouds will remain with us, maybe a sprinkle. 44 degrees the low temperature, south winds at 5 to 10. Tomorrow, again, more clouds than sun, a lot like today. Southerly breezes, that'll warm us up to about 60 in the afternoon. On Saturday, let's go 67. On Sunday, I think we could get to 70. About a 40% chance, though, that next system coming in off California's coast brings us a chance of some light rain. On Monday, 55. Notice it's quite a bit cooler. That's because a front moves through on Sunday. Another front moves in with another El Nino-related storm midweek that could give us a good chance of some rain on Wednesday. And then it looks a little colder beyond that on Thursday.